Let's set up a free PostgreSQL database in cloud. First, open up your browser, go to render.com, and then do your sign up process. Once you are done with your sign up, click on plus icon on top right, then select PostgreSQL option. Now write the name of your database and then select your nearest region and then select PostgreSQL version and then choose free. And now hit create database. It will take some time to spin database on cloud. After it's done, you can see it says available. Now scroll down, tap on this eye icon to show your database URL and then hit copy. Now close your browser and open up your code editor. I am using VS Code, and then go to your .env file and paste your database URL. Make sure your database URL key in .env file is same as in schema.prisma file or anywhere you are using it. Here is a simple user model I will be using for this tutorial. Now move to your terminal. Now in your terminal, write npx prisma migrate dev and then hit enter. And it will take some time to generate your migration. And if it asks you for any migration name, put any name you want, and then you are done with the migration part. Now let me run this server, and my server is at localhost 8080. Now let's test our database connection. I will put my API endpoint URL. It's a post request, and in body it takes full name. In my case, I am going with name John and then hit send. It will create a new user into our database. And now let's quickly put few more user into our database and change the endpoint URL to get all user. This will be a get request, and great, we are getting all of our new data. Here I am using table plus desktop app to view my database table, and as you can see we have all of our new users data present here.